Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to attempt the LPUNEST entrance exam using the CodeTantra Exam app. Before appearing for the online remotely proctored exam, ensure you have two devices, a laptop or desktop as your primary device, and a mobile phone as your secondary device. Both devices must have proper audio and video connectivity. Uninstall all the disallowed apps as WhatsApp, Telegram, AnyDesk, and other screen sharing apps. System restrictions are that virtual machines, Bluetooth devices, and other external devices are not allowed. Set up your exam room with stable internet, a camera, and a microphone that must be functioning. Read the instructions carefully before starting the exam. Ensure a stable internet connection with at least 1 megabit per second speed for smooth audio and video. Let's begin and learn how to check your exam credentials through the LPU Admission Portal. First, open your browser and type admission.lpu.in. Log in using your registered phone number and password. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the left panel and click on My Communication. Click on it and here, you will find all the official emails sent by the university. Look for the email titled, Instructions for Remotely Proctored Online Exam. You will see your username and ID required to log into the exam portal in the mock test. At the end of the email, there is an important link to download the secure browser. This link will redirect you to the exam portal, where you can proceed with the next steps. Please note the website, myexam.lpu.in. Use your login credentials sent via email to log in. On the next page, below the Details section and the Take Test button, you will find download options for the CodeTantra application, including Windows, 32-bit, 64-bit, and Mac OS versions, Intel-based and Apple Silicon for Mac OS 15 and above. Select the version that matches your system specifications. Since my laptop runs on Windows, I downloaded the Windows 64-bit version for Windows 10 or 11. Once done, close the browser, open your Downloads folder. And double-click the CodeTantra C setup file. Allow the installation to finish before proceeding to the next step. Select your institution from the drop-down as LPUNEST.CodeTantra.com. Click Go Next to continue. Re-log in using your credentials, username and password. Then click Login. Your login details were already shared via email. On the exam day, you will see the Take Test button. Review your exam details carefully, and if everything is correct, click Take Test to begin. Before the exam date, you may attempt the mock practice test at any time. It will be available as an open test. This page may appear for some exams, like B.Tech, where you need to select a subject. For other exams, this page may not appear, based on your exam. So choose and proceed accordingly. Next is the environment validation. Review the instructions, and as mentioned earlier, ensure all disallowed applications are completely deleted from your system. Once done, click Environment Validation to continue. Review and accept the terms and conditions, and once confirmed, click Environment Validation again to continue. Your system check is in progress, no multiple displays, no virtual machine, and no Bluetooth devices detected. Everything appears ready to continue. However, if any disallowed application is detected, as shown on the screen, you must uninstall or close it before proceeding. Please wait, system, camera, and mic are being checked. After successful completion of the environment validation, perform the 3 steps mentioned on the screen. First, position your face inside the oval frame and ensure proper lighting. Once your face is clearly aligned, click Capture. Next, select your camera and hold your ID proof steadily in front of it. Make sure all details are clearly visible, then click Capture again. After confirming that both images are clear, click Upload to proceed. Speak clearly as instructed on the screen. After your voice is detected, the system will automatically proceed to the next step. Next, you'll connect the third eye camera using your secondary device. Follow the on-screen steps to scan the QR code and log in from your phone. Now scan the QR code with your mobile phone. Open the link, grant all required permissions, including camera and microphone access. Before placing your phone, turn on auto rotate and also turn on do not disturb mode. Place your phone about 1.5 meters away so your upper body, hands, and laptop are fully visible, just like the example shown. The exam will start in a few seconds. On the exam dashboard, you can view the remaining test time at the top right. The right panel displays Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3, which will appear as subjects on the exam day, according to your exam pattern. You can switch between questions at any time. Also the overall summary. Next, open the human icon menu. Here you can check your camera through the proctor window, chat with the proctor, and monitor your third eye connection. For question navigation, use the next and previous buttons. To mark for review questions and a clear button. Click finish and check the overall summary, and review your responses. On the confirmation screen, select yes, finish and exit to submit your exam. All the best for your LPUNEST exam. If you face any issues or have any queries related to LPUNEST exam, please contact the official helpline number displayed on the screen.